Hi friends, today I am going to discuss about System.out.println in Java. System.out.println is one of the most commonly used statements in Java to print output to the console. Let's see an example. Here I have taken main class. Inside main class, I am trying to print hello in the console. So in order to print hello, I am writing System.out.println of hello. So whenever I run the code, hello is being printed in the console. So most of the people doesn't think about what is system, what is out, what is println, and where they are defined in Java. So in this video, I'm going to explain what is system out println in Java. So in order to explain this, I'm taking a similar example to demonstrate this. So here in this example, I have taken two classes, main class and test class. Inside test class, I have taken static string str is equals to hello, a static variable which is of string type str is equals to hello. So in the main class, in order to print the length of str which is present in test class, I'm writing test.str.length. So here test is a class name. str is a static variable which is present in test class, and length is a method which is present in string class. Here string class is a predefined class in Java, inbuilt class in Java. So here test is a class name, str is a static variable which is present in test class, and length is a method which is present in string class. So if I run this code, the length is being printed. Hello. Hello contain 5 characters. So if I run the code, the output is 5. Test.str.length. Test is a class name. str is a static variable which is present in test class, and length is a method which is present in string class. So same like, now let's break down how system.out.println works. What is system? System is an inbuilt class which is present in java.lang package. And what is out? A static variable of type PrintStream present in system class. And println, a method present in PrintStream class used to print the output to the console. So let's see an example. This is how the structure is defined inside the Java, that is inside java.lang package. So here system is a class name and out is a variable name which is present inside the system class and which is static. So in order to access out, that is static variable, we have to use system. And println is a method which is present in PrintStream class. So in order to access println method which is present in PrintStream class, we are using system dot out dot println. So from the system class using out variable, we are accessing method which is present inside the PrintStream class. Same like from the test class, in order to access the str, we are using test.str.length which is present in the string class. So here system.out.println. System is a class. Inside the system class, a static variable out which is of PrintStream class, and println is a method which is present in PrintStream class. So here println method is used to print the output in the console. So in order to access this println method, we are writing system.out.println. This is how system.out.println works in Java. So no, in Java, the system.out.println method is super flexible. It can take almost anything as an argument and print it to the console. It can take int type, it can take double, it can take boolean type, it can take string type. It can take any type as an input and prints in the console. So let's see in the compiler, you can take any type. So if I run the code, it runs successfully. It compiles successfully. So system.out.println can take anything as an argument. We have to remember this. Let's see an exercise. Please pause the video and answer the questions. First question. What is the primary purpose of system.out.println in Java? First option, to read input from the console, to print output to the console. Option B is correct. To print output to the console. Second question. In the statement system.out.println, what does system represent? System is a inbuilt class present in java.lang package. So a method in the java.util package, no. A static variable, no. An inbuilt class in the java.lang package. Yeah, option C is correct. Third question. What is the return type of length method used on a string in Java? So length returns int type. So option D is correct. Fourth question. In the following code, what will be the output? Class test inside test plus a static variable of string type str is equals to welcome, and inside main class test.str.length. Test is a class, str is a static variable, and length is a present in string class which is used to return the length of a string. So here we have 7 characters, so the output is 7. So option B is correct. Fifth question. Which of the following data types can be passed to system.out.println? You can pass any data type. So all of the above is correct option. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.